You ready? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Neil with another banger. Well, I don't even know if it's the same video, but as you see, we got a better POV. Both hands out. Hopefully, y'all like this view. Y'all enjoy this view because this is gonna be a lot more of this view coming. So let me know down below if you enjoy this view, enjoy this POV content. He's about to go to the gas station real quick, fuel up. He needs some gas. You know, we with Ja always. You feel me? Finna go get some gas, and then he's finna go cut his resonator off. So see how crazy it sounds. Shit. It's gonna basically be a straight pipe, and then he just gotta do his headers and stuff like that, and that's just gonna be crazy. But and I think I might cut my muffler off, but I think I'm gonna just wait, to be honest with you, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying the peace and quiets, but at the same time I'm missing the car being loud. So really, it's really like a 50-50. This is new to me, I ain't gonna lie, cause I tried to do this before way back when, but this shit never worked. So we got this going on. What else? I don't know. That shit gonna come to me. Cause y'all never really got a real POV with this car yet. Like a real POV drive. It's like the first one, so y'all get able to really see the baby M5, the 535 in action. Oh, and I'm getting my plates. I want to do custom plates, and I'm thinking between Just O'Neal or RPM5. I'm gonna put that on the screen right now, but I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet. I'm thinking the RPM5 because that's kind of crazy, kind of tough in my opinion, but I don't know. I don't know. There's a lot I gotta do. I need to get my tints done. I gotta do my exhaust work. I gotta put my downpipe, charge pipe, boost pipe. I have everything already from the last car that I didn't do. I got transferred over. Can't make it doing pulls back there and shit. But yeah. And the crazy thing is, the other day I posted a TikTok. If you haven't followed my TikTok, go do that. I posted the car on TikTok, and someone gonna say this is regular traffic. Regular traffic. Honestly, let me know down below in the comments if you see this on a daily basis. This spec, M Sport 535i 2016 LCI in this color, rear-wheel drive. Like this specific spec. If this is regular traffic to you, I want to live where you're living, because here there's only one other one. There's only one other M Sport. No, it's actually I'm the only M Sport 535 F10 in my area. So I don't know how you're gonna sit here and tell me it's regular traffic. So I don't know. So I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it to heart. I know that the TikTok community is weird when it comes to this stuff. So can't take it to the heart too much. The last video I recorded yesterday, but it's probably like a week apart, probably. But he just yesterday, or the last video, he blew out his tire. Had a crazy blowout. He hit a pothole, ruined the whole rim. So I know he's on the lookout for some rims now. So soon he'll get some rims. I'm gonna get some rims. So I'll pop out. Save gas. Huh?
I gotta tilt mine a little bit more.
No, it's valid.
Yeah?
Yeah. Damn. Damn, did I catch that? I gotta. Damn. Why he run the curb like that? Yo. Oh. I got the Minute Maid cranberry apple raspberry. If you ever had this, put this on. Had it good. Why am I talking like that? Let's give this a rating. I'm not gonna lie. Give it like a 7 out of 10. It's valid. It's valid. And we got some Sour Power straws, cotton candy. This right here. Yo, that right there, I ain't gonna lie, that's it. That right there is so good. I love that. That's like my favorite. What's he doing all the way back there? Call the popo. Call the popo. I've been stuck in my head all day. Up. Like he's back there. I don't know what's he's taking sweet ass time. Call the popo. Call the popo. Oh, brother. We stopped to get some gas. We get on the highway now. We have like a 45-minute drive ahead of us. We're gonna be cruising. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a. See, this is cruising. Whole drive. We gotta wait for John to catch back up. He about to come flying past me. I already know what he about to do. It's windy, so the wind is pushing us all over the road. Here he comes. About to come flying past. But I hope this looks good. Hope y'all enjoy this content and this view. What the hell? Josh say it's cruising back there. Chat. Oh, we gotta love it, right? Ooh, that wind. Wind is crazy. Cop always sits right here every time. Oh, this wind. Oh, my candy. Michelle. Oh, Michelle. loud ass car. On his ass. Oh man, this guy. But I'm finna cut to when we get to the shop. Basically, this is gonna be what we're gonna be seeing for the next 40 minutes. So I'm gonna cut to when we get to the shop and start cutting his resonator off. So we made it to we're about to be like right around the corner from the muffler shop. So it was a calm ride. Oh, look at that M235. I thought that was the 8 series. I'm blind. Hope this should look good. Ooh, it's a tight squeeze. I have no size in my vehicle though. Oh, really? Out here the roads are so bad though. When I tell you the roads are terrible out here, yo, certain potholes like no tomorrow. We've just been vibing. Oh. Let me not chop my muffler. Depends on how much you charge me. Cause realistically, I wanted to do an axle back, but I don't know how that works. If there's like a clamp, or I gotta cut the muffler anyway. Cause you have to cut the muffler anyway. I want the car to sound like how it did before. I want this car to sound like the black one, because the black one sounded crazy. And I want to do my downpipe. I gotta put the downpipe in. Once they get warm out, I'm gonna do like downpipe and tune and stuff. But right now, shit, what's the point? Can't get no traction out here in this cold. What is it? 25 degrees out? Like and it feels like 6. I swear it's so cold. It's freezing out here, I swear. About to hit 75,000 miles at 74,909. Ooh, hella traffic out. It's just so much. Oh, look at, oh, shit crazy. Got parked out like that in the snow. Oh, that part's tough though. These roads, dude, these roads are crazy. At the Spot muffler shop, he did all my work on all my cars. The E46, he cut the muffler. On that car, I already had a catback, but I wanted to put blast pipes on it to just make it sound stupid, so I put blast pipes on it. So he did that. And then for the black car, he did the res delete and the muffler delete. That sounded perfect. And I don't even know what I want to do exhaust wise with this car. I might just do the downpipe and call it a day. I think the downpipe will open it up. It's still gonna be but I don't know. Like, I don't even want to tint this car. Like, that's how I'm feeling with this car. I'm not gonna lie, because it just looks so well. Like, BMW is like, I feel like a black BMW, like the black one, I wanted to do everything to it, but a color like a BMW is just no tint, lowered a little bit on stocks, perfect in my opinion. I don't know. That's just me though. Cause like my M5, when I get an M5, I don't know what color I want, but I know I'm gonna do lowering springs, H&R lowering springs on that. Spacers, if it maybe like a little bit of a spacer, and then that's it. That's into that car. Pulling up now. Oh. Park up in my spot. Oh, he just finished his muffler, his resonator delete. It's cold out here, but you can check out how the car sounds on his channel. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Go show him some love. He's grinding, trying to get his stuff done. So let my car warm up. I'm about to head on the road, go home to the game, edit this video, edit some videos, some content. If you don't already follow me on TikTok, Instagram, go do that. Get behind the scenes of when I post these YouTube videos. I'm gonna start posting more shorts for the people on here. But yeah. Oh. But I'm not gonna lie, I wanna order some parts today. I got paid today. Order some parts today. Give her a rep for the channel. He's holding it. Chat. Chat. On our way back to the towns, back home. He wanted to get a little drive-by. Damn, we were about to get a crazy drive-by. What? You? Cause we look stupid. Go ahead. This is the end of the video. If you really enjoyed this type of content, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm gonna keep up with it. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, like, subscribe, so you can be notified when I upload more videos like this, because it's going to be an ongoing thing. So, I ain't got much else to say or do in this video. So, yeah, O'Neal out. Peace.